Hello everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade crock pot apple butter. So apple butter I feel like is a little underrated, but it is so good and it's such a nice alternative to peanut butter or like honey on toast or anything like that, and it's very, very fall. And when you're making it, it makes your house smell so good and so perfect for fall. So you can also leave a perfect gift for a housewarming or a birthday or anything like that. Just pop it in a little jar and give it to someone. It's really, really cute and it's so delicious. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to place some sliced and peeled apples, some granulated sugar, brown sugar, honey, cinnamon, and allspice into a crock pot and mix everything together. Set the crock pot to high heat and cook it for 1 hour. Then reduce the heat to low and cook until the apples can easily be mashed with a fork for about 9 to 11 hours. Then you want to use either like a handheld whisk or like a food processor or a blender or anything like that to break up the pieces and to create a smooth butter. Then allow the apple butter to cool and then you can spread it on toast or add it to oatmeal, or I am putting it on waffles because I don't have toast in my house. I thought it would look cute in the photo and in the video, who knows. It tasted good though anyways. But yeah, and you are done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Comment down below if you guys were around, was it last year or the year before, when I made apple butter truffles for my Etsy shop. If you guys don't know, I have an Etsy shop online or on Etsy, and I sell like chocolate truffles and stuff like that, and I'm adding a couple other different things soon and I'm really, really excited for that. But yeah, if you tried the apple butter truffles or you actually bought the fits the apple butter, I can't say apple butter, I keep screwing it up. But if you bought, I sold them in jars as well, so if you bought some, let me know in the comments down below. I think it would be so cool to know like if you're still watching. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys tomorrow for an all new video. Bye!